Our customers are the lifeblood of our business, so when they give us a glowing review, we love telling everybody about it, and that's because we're focused on giving each customer a 5-star experience. Let me share what one of our customers had to say about us. And as much as we think we're doing a good job, customers like this telling us about their experience makes us push harder to do better. We really appreciate and enjoy what our happy customers say about us. The most important thing for us is that they take the time to tell us what a great job we're doing. We want to add you to our list of happy customers the best way we know how, by providing you with incredible service. Come and see us today. So thank you for visiting us today. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Call us today and let us give you the same amazing customer service.